Hi Diana. Hi Klaus.
Thomas.
Hi, Thomas.
Wow, looks good.
Yes.
New ID.3, huh?
Yeah.
Looks sportier, a bit more grown up.
Sporty. Fantastic. That's a quick win.
Quick win? What do you mean?
We got feedback from our customers who wanted a more sporty look.
Okay.
Well, ticked.
Let me explain what we did in the exterior. Here on the bonnet we removed the black design element and brought some structure in the ID.3 face. And in combination with the new bumper, air curtains to the left and to the right, we have a bit more aggressive, bit more sportier look. And yeah, exactly what the customer wished. What else is on the list?
Better materials in the interior.
Okay, I'm really sure we can make the next hook on that item sit in. I
Okay.
can tell you more. We create a feel-good ambience by using more soft materials on bigger parts in the interior. For example, the lower part of the dash, we have a completely soft material and we put some very precise stitching on it.
Very nice.
And the same topic you can see on the upper part of the doors. And if you compare this one with the current ID.3, we have a bigger door insert with soft materials and also the stitchings.
Looks great.
Do you know that you are sitting actually now on more than 70% recycled PET bottles?
No, I didn't. It's impressive and
Yeah.
quite soft.
Yeah. And the next thing is the whole interior is completely animal-free. Also here, the steering wheel.